Charlie boy?
I have this rice egg and minute Tictac candy on to open it.
Okay. Who's that, by the way?
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
There are a lot of candies inside.
Lots of candies. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Okay, try to taste it. Is it nice? How does it taste? Sweet. Okay, Charlie, what we have there is Kinder Joy surprise egg. Would you like to open it now?
Yeah.
Alright, come on. Oh.
No, the choo-choo train.
So what did you get there, Charlie?
A robot train. Oh, that's different.
Okay, so this is what we got from the first surprise egg. It's a robot choo-choo train. It's a robot and it can turn to a train. Look at that. Wow.
And open the next one.
Okay, come on.
That's a car.
Oh, it's a car.
Hey, it's different.
Can I see it?
Not different.
Oh, look at that.
That's different.
Look at that. It's some kind of motorcycle, but it also looks like a scorpion. Alright, Charlie, let's open the next one.
Okay.
What's that?
It's a car.
I think it's another kind of motorcycle, right?
Yeah. But this is not the same one.
Yeah, it's not the same. Let's build it.
But it's a shark.
Oh, it looks like a shark. Okay. Come on, let's build it. So this is what we got. It's some kind of a motorcycle and it looks like a shark. Right, Charlie?
Dude, I'm so cold.
Okay, Charlie, let's open the next one.
Let's open the next one. Watch. Oh, it's open.
What's that?
Oh, I got stickers.
So this is what we got. I don't know what it's called, but it has three faces. Vampire, a happy face, and a crying face. Alright, Charlie, let's open the last one.
Let's open the last one. Oh, oh, I think I'll check.
Wow, it's nice.
I think that's a glowing coffee.
Look at that. Whoa. See that? Is it nice?
Yeah.
Oh, you try it.
it.
Yeah, you try it. Wow! So cool! Again! Wow! So this is what we got from the 5 surprise egg. It's good that we don't ever repeat. Look at that.
Bye. What's this or this? This one.
Bye!
Bye.
This is what we got. It's Megatron. Look at that. Look at the details. So cool.
Wow.
And we also have a car.
Welcome to Kisrael.
Wow, what do we have there, Charlie boy?
It's rice egg.
What kind of surprise egg?
Pet shop.
Yeah.